We're going to start out with 1.5 pounds of ground beef. We're going to dump that in a pan and fry it up. Brown it up nice. We're going to add a packet of taco seasoning. And we're going to mix that together. We're going to add 1 cup of water. We're going to bring this all to a simmer, mixing it very, very well. We're going to simmer that for about 5 minutes. Next, we're going to add a can of black beans, drained. And we're going to add 1 jar of a nice chunky salsa. We're going to mix all of this very well together. And we're going to let that simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes while we spray a 9x13 pan. And we're going to start by adding 1 layer of our meat and bean sauce to the bottom of that 9x13 pan. A nice thin layer. We're going to spread it out so that it gets even across the bottom of the pan. And that should do it. Next, we're going to add our flour tortillas. 1 at a time. We're going to lay it over the meat and bean sauce. And we're going to add another layer of our meat and bean mixture sauce on top of the tortillas. And we're going to spread this out to get it as even as we can. We're going to take some of our shredded cheddar cheese or any Mexican blend cheese, and we're going to put a nice layer over that meat and bean sauce. We're going to cover it now with another layer of tortillas. And we're going to repeat this process. We're going to add more bean and meat sauce right onto the top, using up the remainder of our meat and bean mixture. And we're going to spread that out evenly. This is where the magic happens. Now we're going to add another layer of cheese. And we're going to spread that out evenly. And here comes our last layer of tortillas. Next up, we're going to add a layer of sour cream, 1 cup of sour cream. And we're going to make sure that that's a nice thin layer blended all the way over the pan. And we're going to add a final layer of cheese onto the top of the sour cream. And we're going to bake this in the oven covered at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. And there we go. Look how beautiful that is. And does that look good? Delicious. All right, let's try this. Beautiful piece here. I'm heading for the border. This is so good. Delicious. This is the first time I've made this. I'm going to have another bite. So good. I mean, my taco lovers, my Mexican food lovers, you're going to love this. Everything kind of layered up real nice. It's set up real nice. It's not running all over my plate. The black beans are great, the cheese, the tortillas. It's all so good. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.